We're going to explain how to reduce a sum to its lowest terms. This means simplifying a fraction to its smallest equivalent form. There are two main steps involved: finding the greatest common divisor, GCD, and dividing both the numerator and the denominator by it. 1. Finding the greatest common divisor, GCD. The GCD is the largest number that divides both the numerator and the denominator without leaving a remainder. There are several ways to find the GCD. The most straightforward method for smaller numbers is listing the factors. For example, if we have the fraction 12/18, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The greatest common factor they share is 6. 2. Another way to find the GCD is using prime factorization. This method is more efficient for larger numbers. Prime factorization means breaking down a number into its prime factors, numbers divisible only by 1 in themselves. For 12, the prime factorization is 2x 2x3, or 22x3. For 18, it's 2x 3x3, or 2x32. The GCD is found by multiplying the common prime factors raised to the lowest power. In this case, we have 1, 2, and 1, 3 in common, so the GCD is 2x3 equals 6. 3. Euclidean algorithm. For even larger numbers, the Euclidean algorithm is the most efficient method. It involves repeatedly dividing the larger number by the smaller number and replacing the larger number with the remainder until the remainder is 0. The last non-zero remainder is the GCD. Let's say we want to find the GCD of 48 and 18. We divide 48 by 18, getting a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 12. Then we divide 18 by 12, getting a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 6. Finally, we divide 12 by 6, getting a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 0. The last non-zero remainder is 6, so the GCD is 6. 4. Reducing the fraction. Once you've found the GCD, divide both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the GCD. Using our example of 12/18 and the GCD of 6, we divide 12 by 6, which is 2, and 18 by 6, which is 3. This simplifies the fraction to 2/3. This is the fraction in its lowest terms because the GCD of 2 and 3 is 1. Remember, a fraction is in its lowest terms when the only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. If you are working with a sum of fractions, remember to simplify each individual fraction before attempting to add them, and then always check if the resulting fraction can be simplified.